In today's video, I'm going to show you how I use ChatGPT to write my own video script, starting from the beginning to the end, the hook, the intro, the body, and every other thing that you need to know about the YouTube video script. I understand the fact that a lot of creators find it very difficult to get titles, get viral titles, to get video description, to get the body of the video scripted and all that. I know that it has been a hassle for a lot of creators because it's always very difficult to brainstorm about ideas, the body, and everything. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I use ChatGPT to draft my whole my whole video script, and how you can also use ChatGPT to draft your whole video script from the beginning to the end. Okay, so if this is the kind of video that you like or you would want to watch, please don't forget to give this video a like, share to other creators, comment I'm in for all this. That is what I want you to comment. Just comment I'm in for all this. So please, once you comment, subscribe, and if you are new, please drop I'm new here and I will welcome you specially. Okay, so without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing to do is to head over to your Chrome browser. But if you have ChatGPT, fine. But if you don't have, just go to Chrome browser and then you open the Chrome browser and type ChatGPT. So once you type ChatGPT, you allow it to load. So let's just wait a few seconds for it to load. Then click on either of these. I'm going to go with this ChatGPT. Click on try it first. If you want to log in, fine. If you want to sign up free, but if you want to sign up for free, fine. But I'm going to use try it first. So once you do that, click on that ask anything. Then you say ChatGPT, I have a YouTube channel where I upload content about YouTube growth and monetization. Please, can you give me three viral video ideas for this niche? So you can see I say ChatGPT, I have a YouTube channel where I upload content about YouTube growth and monetization. Please, can you give me three viral video ideas for this niche? So once you type that, you click on done. You can see absolutely for a niche like YouTube growth and monetization, your content has strong potential to go viral if it taps into current trends, pain points, and proven success framework. Here are three viral video ideas that are designed to hook viewers and encourage shares. So you can see that this particular that so you can see that ChatGPT has given you three different viral video ideas for this. So you can see number one idea is I tried Mr. Beast's YouTube strategy for 30 days. Here is what happened. Why it can go viral. Mr. Beast is a proven click magnet. People are curious about replicable success. You are positioning yourself as the experimenter, which builds trust, bonus angle, and all that. So you can also, so the second point is how I made my first 1,000 on YouTube without showing my face or voice. So this is another video idea. And the third one is stop doing this if you want to grow on YouTube in 2025. Algorithm update explained. So in all this, then you can say anyone that you choose. Okay, for this particular one, you're going to be using this first video idea. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT, thank you for your answers. Can you give me a full SEO video, SEO optimized script that is engaging and has good hook for for the viewers. Okay, so you now tell ChatGPT, please also include description, tags, and thumbnail for this video script. Use answer number one for the script. So you can see I've already said, thank you for your answers. Can you give me a full SEO optimized script that is engaging and has good hook for the viewers? Please also include description, tags, and thumbnail for this video script. Use answer. Use answer number one. Sorry. Use answer number one for the script. So let's just click and see. Absolutely. Here is a complete SEO optimized video package for your first idea. I tried Mr. Beast's YouTube strategy for 30 days. Here is what happened. You can see this includes script, description, tags, and thumbnail idea. It is written to be engaging, optimized, and retain viewers throughout. So you can see the video script, the hook. It will tell you what to do. Okay, look, let's just see now. You. This you means what you should say. What happens when a small YouTuber copies everything Mr. Beast does for 30 days, from video titles, thumbnails, and even his upload style? Well, I did it, and the results, let's just say I was not ready for what happened. So this is one hook that if you say it, the audience will be like, wow, let's really see if she succeeded or not. Okay, so you can see that ChatGPT gave you video script, gave you hook, gave you the intro, and then told you what you would say in part one. So ChatGPT even broke down the script into parts. So you can see part one, why I did this. Then you can see. Then part two, you can see. Then part three, you can see for yourself. Part four, call to action. Then it gave you SEO optimized videos description. It gave you tags and it gave you thumbnail concept. So this is something that ChatGPT is one app that should be your go-to as a content creator. I don't want to hear, I don't have video ideas again. I've run out of video ideas. I don't know the kind of video ideas I should put or post so that a lot of people can see my videos. I don't know this, I don't know that. What you should do is just go straight to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you video ideas. And when ChatGPT gives you these video ideas, go ahead to tell ChatGPT to give you a full script about that. So you can see what I did here. I said, ChatGPT, I have a YouTube channel where I upload content about YouTube growth and monetization. Please, can you give me 3 viral video ideas for this niche? And it gave me all this. You can see, it gave me all this, everything that you are seeing here. That is what ChatGPT gave me. Every single thing. You can see how I made my first $1,000 on YouTube and all. You can see. Then I went ahead and said, thank you for your answers. Can you give me a full SEO optimized script that is engaging and has good hook for the viewers? Please also include description, tags, and thumbnails for this video script. Use answer number one for the script. You can see how ChatGPT broke down this script into parts, giving me both thumbnail, both script, both description and all. So you can see this video script. It even said on beat music, call to host with an excited face. That is, you should just do it the way you should react when you are starting the video. So ChatGPT is one app that I love so much. Like, is one of the best, if not the best. Is just like a YouTube growth what should I say? It's just like a YouTube growth activist, if I should use that one. Okay, it's just like a YouTube growth strategist. Okay, so you can see he gave you hook. You can see the hook. You gave you part one, why I did this, and it even told you the things that you are going to say. You can see ChatGPT will not just give you script, it will tell you what to say. Then it came back to, then it came down to part two. You can see what I copied Mr. Beast formula and all. So you can see what ChatGPT will give you so that you will say it exactly. So you can see this. Then it gave you part three. You can see it gave you this. It gave you this. It gave you this. It gave you SEO video description. So about this video description, what you can do is just copy. You can see this copy code. Just click on it. Once you copy it, it will copy to clipboard. So once you are done with this video, you can go ahead to go to your description of the video and paste this particular thing. Then do some little adjustment on it, and then you are good. Okay. So then the tags too. So once you click on this copy code, it will also take the tags and everything, and then you just have to paste it. Then thumbnail concept, it even gave you how the thumbnail should look like, so that it will click worthy, so that it will attract viewers to click. So you can see. So if you know that you have been struggling with title ideas, video ideas, scripting your videos, just go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT that this is exactly what I want, that it should help you with this and that. And trust me, ChatGPT will come to your aid. Okay. So no matter the niche, just tell ChatGPT your niche and all, and it will give you exactly what you want. All right. So I hope this video is very helpful. Always give this video a like if you find this video very helpful. I know that you have learned the proper way to use ChatGPT to script your entire video script. And if you learned so much from this video, please don't forget to give a like this video, and subscribe. Like I said before, if you are new here, just comment on the comment section that you are new, and I'll welcome you very, very specially. Okay. So if there are other things that you would want me to talk about, if there are questions in your mind about YouTube growth and monetization that you actually want me to talk about, please do well to put it on the comment section, and I'll do well to attend to those questions. I love my audience, I love my subscribers, I love my community. So once you drop anything on the comment section, I must reply and answer you. Okay. So thank you very much, and I am rooting for you. So don't give up on your channel, don't give up on your content, don't give up on yourself. I am rooting for you, and I love you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.